This factory is full of polluted air as the present exhaust device is not enough to maintain the good air quality index. Workers are suffering due to the polluted air. This will impact the performance of the company in the market. Here, engineers are planning to improve the air quality of the factory. After working for several days, engineers have finalized the new structure of the device, which works even fanless. Upper and lower side of this device will absorb the bad air.
Hello ladies and gentlemen. We have surpassed the presently available exhaust device. Now we have fanless exhaust device which absorbs the surrounding polluted air from all of the sides of the device. This feature obviously improves the air quality of the buildings and factories.